What's up guys, Rodrigo here, welcome back to one more video guys. Today as you can see we had great movements on the Bitcoin price action, both to the down and to the upside. We broke below the level of support of the symmetrical triangle, we hit our target, we were supported by this horizontal level of support, and now we are seeing some pumpy action. And now after all these movements there are some signs on the chart showing for us that from this point right here we could be seeing some pumpy action guys. Not only this pumpy action that happened already, but more than this. And also tomorrow is going to be a very important day for Litecoin guys, yes. So if you want to know more about the Bitcoin price and about this big event that is going to happen for Litecoin, stick with me until the end of this video. And of course, if you are out there searching for a new platform to be trading, I would recommend you guys to use Bitflex and Bybit. These are my favorite exchange. The first link that you are going to find on the description of this video is going to give you access to Bybit, which is giving to you up to $30,000 bonus. And the second link is to Bitflex, which requires no KYC. A big shout out to every single of you guys. Thank you very much. We are growing. We are right now 205 subscribers. We finally hit our milestone of 200. I'm very happy. Thank you very much for this guys. If you are watching this video right now, just check if you're a subscriber, because 50% of my recurrent viewers are not subscribed yet guys. So if you are one of those, please click the button right there and subscribe to the channel. So let's start talking here about some previous price action. And as you can see, we had this clear symmetrical triangle here, and I warned you before about this one, and I told you that I was expecting it to break to the downside rather to the upside, and exactly as we were expecting, that it is. We hit our target already. We had to make a little adjustment on this triangle because before we didn't have so many information, so we had a triangle a little bit different. Let me show you. We just had information back then up till here, I guess, somewhere right here. So we were talking about this symmetrical triangle right here, like this. And then after seeing all this price action, we realized, especially if we change it to the 4-hour right here, that actually we had to adjust a little bit, and we readjusted and it worked perfectly guys. As you can see, the target right here, the height of the triangle, there we go. Target successfully hit right here. And guys, we were supported by this level. Yes, we had this huge wick right here, but we didn't manage to close any candles below this level, as you can see. And now after forming this low right here, there are some signs on the price action that is showing that the bulls started to fight back guys. Yes, and these things are, first, this very beautiful candle right here, this hammer. It is a sign that the bulls are stepping in. And also guys, you know, this one is very important, and I love this indication. We have a low and a lower low here, while on the RSI we are having a low and a higher low, indicating for us that we have divergency guys. We have bullish divergency here on the 4-hour time frames. If you're subscribed on this channel for a while guys, you know I talk about these bearish divergences very often on this channel because I really like this indication for us, and it usually really plays out. You know me, you watch my videos, you know my technical analysis, so you know that lately I've been a little bit bearish on the Bitcoin price action guys, especially after this fake out right here together with bearish divergency, whatever. And since this moment right here guys, I'm just talking about the Bitcoin going down, going down, going down, going down, going down. If we go up, it's just a relief rally to go down again. And actually it was a great thing that I was bearish guys, because as you can see from this point right here, we just melt down. We went 9-10% to the downside. The Bitcoin was very weak, showing a lot of weakness, wasn't able to create higher highs, only lower highs every time, lower high, lower high. And now I am starting to flip bullish again guys because of this price action that we are having right here. The bullish divergency, the hammer at the bottom. And also if we change to the daily time frame here, you can see that we are forming a huge, this candle is not closed yet. We still have 3 hours until it's finally closed. But right now, if we close this way right here guys, it is a very bullish candlestick called Dragonfly and it is very powerful, very bullish. So you remember that when we had that symmetrical triangle, I was telling you that I was not comfortable to trade it if we would break to the upside, because we had this huge resistance right here and I wasn't sure that we had enough strength to break it. Now the market maybe already grabbed enough liquidity at this low right here, and because of this the probability of breaking above the level of this resistance right now is very higher than it was previously. Of course, nothing has to happen immediately like this. We can see some choppy action here, some sideways action like this, even retest the level of this important support before we finally break above these levels. But the most important thing of today's video is that the bulls are starting to step in and are starting to show some strength. And also another approach that we have on the Bitcoin price action right now is this one. As you can see, right here we broke above the level of this descending resistance, and when we formed this low right here, we were exactly retesting this previous resistance as a new support. So it is a sign that we broke the tendency that we were having to the downside, and now we are probably going to start a new tendency to the upside. And before I go, guys, do you know already which important event we have for Litecoin tomorrow? We have the halving, guys. So from tomorrow the block reward is going to diminish from 12.5 Litecoins to 6.25 Litecoin per block. And with this, of course, the demand is expected to rise, potentially increasing the price and overall market value of Litecoin. Historical data shows that previous halving have led to significant rallies in the average price of Litecoin. So yes, guys, this is a major event happening tomorrow, and if you want to know better about this event, I will leave the link of this article here on the description of this video, so you just click right there. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe, hit the bell, and I see you in the next time. Stay focused!